All of this content you're seeing right now was made using Claude and Virlo. No Photoshop, no design skills, just a couple of prompts and a simple workflow. I've been creating content for years, built around 700,000 followers across my channels, and I can tell you that this completely changes the game for content creators. In this video, I'll show you how to create viral Instagram carousels for 5 different niches without touching any design software. So step number 1 for creating good content, from my experience, is making good research. So usually when I do research, I would spend hours on social media just scrolling, seeing what's working, what type of content is performing the best. But what I'm gonna do now is give Claude a social media brain. To do that, I'm gonna be using a software called Virlo. Virlo is a social media analytics tool that most creators and marketers don't even know about yet. And it tells you exactly what content is about to blow up across every niche. It constantly scans the entire social media landscape and collects data from content that's actually performing right now. I'll leave a link for Virlo in the description, and here's how you can set it up. Log into Virlo, go to API keys, and generate a new key. Then head to Claude, go to settings, connectors, and click add custom connector. Copy the URL from Virlo, paste it in, click connect, then paste your API key and authorize. And just like that, Claude now pulls the latest trending content ideas for any niche that we want. Now, let's say I want to find the top performing content ideas in the fitness niche. All I have to do is write a simple prompt like this, and Claude pulls the top trending ideas straight from Virlo's data. And just like that, we have a bunch of different best performing content ideas for the fitness niche. It comes with the number of views the video has, the creator who posted the content, the hook, the angle, and Virlo even explained why it worked. Below, Virlo also analyzes the patterns that made this content perform so well. And for this video, I picked 5 different niches that I'm gonna create content for. We've got fitness, travel, recipes, technology, and cars. And if your niche is not on the list, don't worry, you're gonna see exactly how to apply this workflow in any niche that you want. Now, for each of these niches, I'm gonna be creating carousels just using Claude, by giving Claude a simple prompt and without doing any design myself. So we just got the 10 best performing content ideas in fitness niche. Now have a look at how simple it is to turn any of these into full carousel using Claude. Let's pick this idea right here, and I'm going to ask Claude to turn it into 5 slide carousel. All I need to do is write a simple prompt like this. Now I'll just hit enter and wait a couple of minutes while Claude builds it. And just like that, Claude built the full carousel. As you can see, Claude didn't just slap text on slides. It actually understood the structure of a carousel. It knew that slide 1 has to stop the scroll, the middle slides needs to build tension, and the last slide needs to land the call to action. Now, this looks good, but if you want to take your content to the next level, you need to feed Claude more context about your brand. Right now, Claude just guessing the style, right? So here's how you do it. All you need is to add your brand info directly into the chat along with carousel prompt like this. And I'm gonna leave all of these prompts I'm using throughout this video in the description below as well. And here's the difference. Same content idea, completely different output. Really bold on brand visuals, consistent typography, and a design that actually feels like it belongs to you. And here's the key to making these carousels blow up. You need to get them to show up in the Reels feed, not just the regular carousel feed. Here's exactly how to do that. Whenever you're posting a carousel, make sure to add the audio. When you do that, Instagram pushes your carousel straight into the Reels feed, which means double the reach for 0 extra effort. All right, next up is travel niche. First, I'll head back to Claude and ask Virlo for the 10 best performing travel content ideas from the past week. And within a few minutes, Virlo pulls a full list of trending travel ideas with hooks and angles that are actually working right now. And again, this is the most important part. If you can't do proper research, your content won't perform as well. You're just gonna be wasting time making it, trust me. Let me pick this idea right here. Now I'll drop my travel brand info and the carousel prompt. And here's what Claude built. Completely different vibe from the fitness carousel, warm tones, cinematic typography, and visuals that actually match the travel aesthetic, but still following the same hook to call to action structure underneath. That's the power of combining Virlo with Claude. Virlo tells you exactly what's working, and Claude turns it into content that looks and feels like your brand. So unlike asking ChatGPT or scrolling on TikTok yourself, Virlo is constantly tracking over 3 million short form videos across TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts in real time. So it's not going to give you generic ideas. It's giving you real data from creators who are actually winning right now. Now let's switch it up completely and move into recipes niche. I'll pull up Virlo again and grab the top performing recipe ideas from this week. One thing I love about Virlo is that it surfaces the exact angles that are trending right now. So instead of guessing whether people want quick meals, high protein recipes, or one pan dinners, I can see what's actually pulling views right now and build around that. Let me grab this idea right here and drop it together with the whole prompt. And just like that, a completely new aesthetic. Warm cream tones, appetizing colors, and typography that matches the cozy food vibe. Same formula, totally different output. Now let's jump into completely different space, the technology niche. So let's see what Virlo says it's actually trending this week in this niche. All right, let me grab this idea right here. Now I'll drop in my tech brand info and the carousel prompt. And here's the final result. Sleek, futuristic, high contrast, same workflow, totally different aesthetic, perfectly matched the niche. Now, let's try this out on the cars niche. Let's ask Virlo what's performing the best in this niche. Let me grab this idea right here. Now I'll drop my car brand info and the carousel prompt as usual. And here we go. Premium, high-end, everything you expect in the luxury car brand niche. Same workflow as every other niche, but the output feels completely unique. Now that you've seen this workflow across 5 different niches, here are a few extra tips to get the most out of it. First, always create your carousels in 1080 1350. It gives you that maximum screen space on the Instagram feed, which means more visibility and higher engagement. Second, the sweet spot for carousel length is 5 to 10 slides. Anything shorter than that and you're leaving engagement on the table. Anything longer and people drop off. Third, make sure to save your brand info somewhere easy to access. A simple note on your phone or desktop works just fine. That way you can paste it into Claude anytime without having to rewrite it. Fourth, always add music to your carousels when posting. Instagram pushes carousels with music into Reels feed, which means you're gonna get double the reach for 0 extra effort. Fifth, don't forget to use hashtags. Virlo also posts the top performing hashtags for any niche, so you can ask Claude to give you a trending hashtag list alongside your carousel. And last, make sure you research your niche properly to see what's actually working, so you don't waste your time creating content that doesn't perform. And for that, using Virlo together with Claude is a complete no-brainer. It takes a few minutes to install Virlo's API straight into Claude, and you can get started with as little as $5, which is nothing compared to the value you get back in data. Again, I'm gonna leave a link to Virlo in the description and in a pinned comment down below, as well as all of the prompts I used throughout this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.